Never throw your broken broom in the trash again. Today, I will teach you a simple trick that will help you reuse it one more time, and the best thing is that you will save money buying another new broom. So let's start right away and see how this trick is done so that you don't throw your broken broom in the trash again. The first thing you should do is get a plastic water bottle. We want to take the part of the head of the plastic bottle and cut it with the help of a saw. If you don't have an instrument like this, you can also use a saw blade. We will place this part on the already broken broomstick, and with the help of a hammer, we will hit a little until it fits well. Then we will take 3 screws and secure this plastic cover on the base of the broom, placing several screws until we can fix it well. But first, we are going to cut the broken part of the base of the broom with a saw so that it is flat to be able to use the screws on the base. Now, I would like you to take the opportunity to tell me how far these tricks are going. So I will leave you a greeting in our next video. Today's special greeting is dedicated to Pedro in the United States and Ana from Spain. I thank you for seeing each tip. This is how it should look. In this way, we will secure our stick. The next thing we will do is prepare the broomstick. And for this, we will take the stick that we had already fixed with the hammer, and with the help of some screws, we will fix each end on the stick so that it is well fixed and does not move. Once you have placed all the screws, it should look something like this. Finally, the last step, and it is very simple. You just have to fit the stick with the broom and turn it until it fits well. As you saw, we already have the broom repaired and as new. And the best thing is that you will save money having to buy a new broom. If you have come this far, it means that you liked it, so do not stop subscribing to this channel so that you are the first to receive our advice. And if you found this video useful, send it to someone who could be of help.